Are you a skilled DZ driver looking for your next role in Toronto? We have an exciting opportunity for you to join a leading company in the construction industry. Established in 1979, Toro Aluminum is a leader in manufacturing window walls and doors. We serve high-rise projects across Canada, the US, and Mexico. Join our established and growing team. You will deliver products to customer sites using company vehicles. This includes flatbed trucks and pickups. Responsibilities involve loading and unloading materials safely. You will secure loads properly before transport. Handling delivery paperwork is key. You'll collect and distribute necessary documents accurately. Cross-checking materials against packing slips and shipping documents is essential. Ensure everything matches for pickups and deliveries. This is a full-time position. The shift is Monday to Friday, 7:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. Maintain a safe working environment at all times. Follow all safety rules and wear required protective gear. Operate a crane when needed for material handling. Be prepared for varied tasks. Utilize downtime between deliveries effectively. Assist with inventory, light housekeeping, and picking materials. You need a valid DZ driver's license with a clean record. A minimum of 3 years of driving experience is required. Experience driving manual and standard transmission vehicles is a must. Previous shipping experience is preferred. Fluent English communication skills, both verbal and written, are necessary. You must be detail-oriented and organized. Be comfortable working in both indoor and outdoor environments. You should be able to lift up to 50 pounds comfortably. Ready to drive your career forward with a reputable company. If you meet these qualifications and are looking for a stable role in Toronto, don't wait. Click the link below right now to view the full job details and submit your application directly. Your new driving opportunity awaits.